how to live long-term in Vietnam, how to invest into a business, how to invest into real estate, what are the tax and legal ramifications. That's what I want to talk about today, so come and have a seat and I will answer all your questions. Hello, my name is Ken Duong, international and business immigration attorney with over 13 years of experience helping individuals live, work, retire, and do business in Vietnam, amongst other countries. And for the last 7 years, I've been living in Vietnam permanently. Thus, I have real-time, real experience for you to share with you on how to be successful in Vietnam. The most important part of living in another country is having a very strategic plan on how you plan to relocate for yourself, your family, your children, and also your business. Many of these other companies will make it very difficult or confusing and giving you structures on how to get a second citizenship, how to invest into a country, and how to retire. But for the last 7 years at Duong Global, we've created over hundreds of videos that are fun, entertaining, with very simple, digestible information so that you can have the right information, or at least the basic knowledge of that area for you to make your decision to come into Vietnam. But of course, we have additional resources for you as well. If you need more direct, tailored, specific planning, we have an A to Z solution that includes the initial consultation for 1 hour on how you can specifically tailor this program to your family, including taxes, employment, immigration law, investment law, and also business law in Vietnam. So with this 1 hour consultation, I can advise you on a plethora of issues, such as how to retire in Vietnam, what are the employment laws, what is the business law to open a company, how do I buy real estate in Vietnam and the United States, what are my U.S. taxation based on me buying property or living and working in Vietnam, what are my long-term visa immigration options if I stay here. Also, other things simple as how to open a bank account, how to minimize your taxes, what are my social security benefits in the U.S., how do I get it, how do you transfer money between the two countries. So these are all the topics that I've been advising over 15 years and being here permanently in Vietnam for the last 7 years. So those are things I would love to be able to help you with and structure a tailored 1 hour consultation for you. So make sure you book a 1 hour consultation with me so I can share all of my knowledge, experience on how to live, work, retire, and be successful in Vietnam. So only within that 1 hour, I will passionately and personally dedicate to you the time, knowledge, and experience that I have to make sure that you are successful. So I want to say thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to sitting down with you personally at my office for this amazing 1 hour consultation.